How to make the capital letter O. Actually, the capital and the lowercase are going to be the same. I almost don't really need to show you this, do I? But you just blow up a balloon in case you don't know how to do this one. And we're just going to bring it together. I don't think you want any pinch twist because you don't want it looking like a Q or anything else. So just tie it, I would say. Tie it together and cut off the extra. If you happen to have a pair of Magic Tiger scissors. And then, you know, you're going to want to shape this to make sure it starts off that way. I mean, there's really no other letter this would be. This is already an O, but you can shape it a little bit more like that, I guess. And there's your O.